everybody, welcome back to episode 22 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. This is episode 22, and I'm Miss Burns. This is our craft episode. Alright, so let's get started. Our riddle yesterday was, what can you still keep even after giving it away? What do you get to keep even after you give it away? The answer is your word. When you keep your word, when you give your word, you're giving a promise. You're promising to do something. So, same thing, right? The answer could also be promise. I make a promise. I give a promise. I give my word. I also keep my word. If I keep my word, I'm keeping my promise. I'm doing what I said I was going to do. So that's the right thing to do, by the way. Depending on the situation. Come to me if you have any questions. Alright. What we're going to do today... Oh, I forgot to give you your new riddle. Silly me. So your new riddle is a little bit of a joke. What can make an octopus laugh? Be thinking about that one for tomorrow. What can make an octopus laugh? I don't know. Alright, so for today we're going to be making a flower where we can bend the petals. Make them be malleable, manipulatable. We can manipulate them. So you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, any colors you want. This is my second time doing this video, of course. You guys know me. So I've already cut mine out, but I've got my 2 pieces of paper. You'll need pipe cleaners, green ones if you want to make a green stem for your flower. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Glue and a pencil. You're going to need your pencil to draw your petal shapes, and you also might want to use it at the end. And then you'll also need a pair of scissors to cut your petals out. So I drew my petals on my paper in this shape, and I held my paper together. So I have 2 papers that I held together while I cut. And the reason I did that is because not all of your petals are going to be exactly the same or perfect. And you want them to come out to be the same size. So these 2 are the same, and these 2 are the same. And as I cut them out, I put them down on the table next to me so that I would know which ones were which. Alright, so this is what I've got going on. I've got my paired petals, so that I know which ones go together. Okay? Now, I did this. The reason I stopped the video before was because it wasn't working and I couldn't figure out why. But I'm going to show you. So you don't need your pipe cleaner to be this long. I'm actually going to cut this one to about here. Okay? And I'm going to do the next one. So, I'm going to put glue on my blue petal. And I'm not really doing dot, dot, not a lot. I'm doing a little bit more than dot, dot, not a lot. Then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and lay it on that glue. And I'm going to kind of rub it around a little. Because I want the pipe cleaner to stick, but I really want the 2 pieces of paper to stick onto it. And this is messy, guys. This is real messy. You're going to get more glue on there, some more glue on the other side of your pipe cleaner. Take your other paper, the one that matches with the first one, and press it down on top. Now, if you have fabric instead of paper, even better. Because the fabric, well, you might need hot glue if you use fabric, but those would be really cool petals, right? Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. I need more glue. See? A little bit more glue over here on this side. Whoops. Whoopsie daisies. Okay. So now I've got a second petal that will bend whichever way I want it to. I'm going to put that down with my first petal. Let it dry. And I'm going to take my next 2. And I'm going to cut this a little bit shorter. I'm going to take my next one and put that glue on there. Put my pipe cleaner on top. Make sure it's going from one end to the other. Make sure there's glue around it for the purple to stick to. And maybe a little more glue on top of my pipe cleaner. Take my purple petal. Is that the right way? Yeah. And press it on top. Hold it down. I'm getting glue all over my desk. That's okay because glue washes off. Most glue washes off anyway. Alright. I've got my next petal. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Gonna make it shorter. Oh, yeah. Alright. You love when I sing, I know it. Put my glue all over it. Put my pipe cleaner on. Whoops. A little bit more glue on top of the pipe cleaner. My purple petal part, purple petal piece. Purple people eater. You know, one-eye, one-horn flying purple people eater. One-eye, one-horn flying purple people eater. One-eye, one-horn flying purple people eater. Sure looked good to me. I loved that movie when I was a kid. It is a very silly movie. You should check it out. Alright, snip that there. These they're looking like kind of like lollipops, right? I only have 2 more to go. How many did I make, by the way, guys? Oh my goodness, because I started this video over, I didn't even tell you how many petals you should bake. I wonder if you counted. So, I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total petals. But how many pieces of paper did I cut out? Total. 12. But remember, I only cut it out 6 times because I held them together while I did it so that I would make sure that they'd be the same. Alright. Putting my purple on top. Putting it down so that it stays glued together. Moving this over. I only have one. Oops. Only have one left. 1, 2, go. And then we get to put it together and make our flower. Ready? Last one. Cover it in glue, but you know, don't go too crazy because, you know, we all know how it can be, especially if you're little and you're using glue. We don't want big messes everywhere. I just remembered what, never mind, because I don't exactly remember the whole story. Oh my goodness. Okay. And I'm going to cut this at the bottom just a smidge. Alright, so now I've got my petals all together, and I'm going to decide how I want to make them go. I'm going to bend them the way I want. So I want to put I'm going to put them blue, purple, like a pattern. And I'm going to twist them together. So I'm going to twist that one to that one. And then I'm going to put a purple one, bend it, twist it. See what I'm doing? Actually, I'm going to bend it like this. That's kind of fun, right? What's next? Blue? Am I going to be able to have my pattern all the way around? I don't think so. Oh no. Yes, of course I am, right? Because the petals are interchangeable. Purple. Oh my, this one is messy. And blue. The blue side up here. Now, I've got my flower started. Now you can bend your petals however you want them to bend and move them around. Isn't that fun? And now I'm going to take one of these green pipe cleaners, actually this longer one, and I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to wrap the little bit up here, and I'm going to take my green pipe cleaner and go around the flower. I think I just drew on the desk a little bit. And just keep wrapping it around the pencil so that it looks like it has a green stem. I'm spinning it to wrap it. Okay, I'll stop. So you could keep going, and then you've got a flower pencil with bendable petals. Isn't that fun? So you can make your petals go however they want, up or down, and you can write with it. It's cute, right? I like it. All right, that's it for this craft. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to see pictures of it. I want to see videos. If you use fabric, have a grown-up help you. You probably will need to also use hot glue. All right, so you can send me your pictures and videos and questions to my email, rburns@kusd.org, rburns@kusd.org. You can find us on Facebook at Rattle Together. Just type in Rattle Together in the search bar, or fb.me/Rattle Together, RATTLETOGETHER. And you can message me there as well by clicking the little message button, or typing in m.me/Rattle Together, period. RATTLE to get her, period, TOGETHER, period. I hope to hear from you guys soon. I hope you're all happy and healthy and safe. I love you. I miss you. Mwah.